Well, this one's disassembled too. Where's the other one?
I want a fish. Dude, you stop it! You motherfucker!
What?
That goddamn... Oh.
Mine's putting up a fight.
I know!
Man, if you weren't so slimy, I could get...
That was some Abbott and Costello shit right there.
I can't even see the water. If I could just get it on once, then it couldn't move.
I almost fell off the fucking...
That sucked.
It's like the rest of the second I got.
It's not a good bird.
Damn it!
Able to see the bobber with the
You're not
fins.
getting away from me. You're getting on my...
How do we do this? I'm not quite sure.
I hate when it like stretches out and then contracts.
We're supposed to look at a little thing to balance.
That part was bright, huh?
Quit getting all skinny. Get all short and fat.
Man, alright, someone splash some mayo. Nice. Listen here, big
Yeah, we should have brought more flashlights.
Jesus Christ.
Can I see something real quick?